welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. Today I have something really fun, and I'm talking really fun. Alright, I had ordered a bunch of stuff in December and a couple of things in January, and as you know, it has taken a long time for anything to get here. Well, a couple things have started trickling in. So, today, we have something fun. Okay, this is really cool because you guys are gonna love this. It's called the Doris doll. So she came like this. And the box is a little bit smashed, but I mean, she didn't come with much wrapping. I will say this though, she feels pretty heavy. So, right at the outset, she feels quality right off the bat, so that's cool. Now this is the Doris doll. Oh look, she comes with her own alien eye shield. Excellent. Well, it's kept her eyes good. Okay. Let's remove the eye shield. It's even got... That's hilarious. It's like a face mask. Okay. Well, let's see. She's got little things on her head for a wig. Guys, her plastic is quality. Okay, it's like heavy like a Barbie doll, but better. Heavy like my Dream Fairy doll. Oh, she's got ball joints. Nice. Okay. Her articulation's pretty good. Okay, that's all very good. She's got this here so she can twist her legs. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see if her waist... Yep, her waist twists. And of course her arms. The joints are all wonderful. That's good. Wow, she's as good as the Dream Fairy doll. Okay, let's take a look at her face. Oh, she's pretty for $22. Look at that. She's gorgeous. And her eyes are quite nice. Now, I'm probably going to trim her eyelashes because I think they're a little crazy. Yeah, I think they're a little crazy. Those are some long eyelashes, but her head came already attached. I don't think you could root in that unless you softened it, and it would be a long, hard process. It's pretty hard. And you cannot change the eyes out unless you cut the head. However, she does have pierced ear holes, so that's nice. Her head has a little tiny bit of movement, but not a ton. What a great doll! Nicely ball jointed. Very awesome. Very, very, very awesome. She is a 62 centimeters, I believe. Wow. This is an awesome doll, you guys. I am going to do a sew with me for one of these dolls too, because these are so fun. Look at this. Her toenails are even painted. That is so great. Even her fingernails are painted, and it's a very light paint, so it's not bad. And she has a little tiny bit of blush on her hands, but not scary. She has a tiny belly button mark, but not really the starvation marks. And she does have these, you know, but that's not starvation marks. That's not severe. And she does have a mark on the back of her that says KD. I don't know what that's about, because she's supposed to be named Doris. So maybe she's a Kiligdoll Doris. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. She is awesome. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. We're gonna have to get a wig for her. Okay, so be one of my next projects. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed the review of this doll. She is such a pretty doll. Really, I'm impressed. You know, normally the joints are made of the heavier plastic and the rest of the leg is made of the cheap plastic. But in this instance, the joints are made of plastic and the legs are made of the really good heavy quality stuff. And the plastic from the joints is not that bad. It's not that bad at all. And wow, I'm just impressed with this doll. And I don't see seam lines either. There are no seam lines on her anywhere. This is just a great doll. You guys, you will be impressed with the quality. This girl is great. And I had another one of these coming, which hopefully it'll get here soon. She's Doris number 2, I think. This is Doris number 1. There's 2 different Doris dolls. Anyway, awesome. Alright, thanks you guys. I sure hope you enjoyed this review for my little Doris doll. Well, big Doris doll. And we'll see you next time. I've got, like I said, some more great dolls that are coming from Aliexpress. And I do not know, I have not ordered from Aliexpress since January. So, I don't know, because nothing has been coming through. Yeah. So you guys, if you're looking to order from AliExpress, think long and hard about it. In different countries it may be different, but I'll tell you, in the United States it is not going well for if you order from AliExpress. Yeah, they're just not coming through much. Anyway, alright, thanks guys. Take care. Hope you've enjoyed coming to Carol's Current Obsession. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Try to keep you up to date on all the cool dolls. And other stuff. I mean, yeah, we do other stuff. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.